Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Lottie Ann Silvas, and this is a graduation duck because I am very proud of my husband in getting his associates in addiction counselor. So he is actually working right now in a rehabilitation center, and he's an awesome counselor. So he counsels me. But watch my video, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, you're on video.
Okay, looks like graduation is finally here.
Very proud of you.
It took me 2 years to get here. I didn't think it would ever happen. Here we are. We got 2 different stoves. We've got the Cypress College stove, and I have my honor stove that they gave me for maintaining a 3.75 GPA. I got so many things going on here, I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay.
And Presidential Scholar of Distinction for Social Sciences, Mireya Alt. The Social Sciences pathway includes degrees in anthropology, economics, ethnic studies, geography, history, human services, philosophy, religious studies, political science, psychology, and sociology.
Hey, cute baby. How did you know where to go to see me?
Everybody's walking. Everybody's walking this way.
Yes.
Thank you all for watching my husband's accomplishments.